Hey guys, I've got an Amana washer, which is built by Whirlpool. Of course it's electric. It's in excellent condition. I want to show you, as if you were standing here in front of it testing it yourself, that it does in fact work great. Everything I sell gets a good thorough testing. On the washers it's a 28-point inspection. On the dryers it's a 22-point inspection. I'll show the dryer next, but first I want to show you, pull this out here. See, we'll put it on extra large load. See, it's bringing the water in just fine. And if we switch it over, kick it into agitate mode, you can hear doing a great job with the agitation. Of course, we lift that up, it stops, so you know the lid switch works, which is a nice safety feature. And then of course it stops. This tells you it stops filling when it's at the appropriate height with the clothes and all that. So I'm gonna let it finish filling up, let it go ahead and run through the cycle, and then we'll come back on the final spin and I'll show you that it sounds great, runs great, and all that. Alright, and we're back. It's gone through the first wash, now onto the rinse cycle. And I went ahead and filled it full of a bunch of jeans and shorts and stuff and set it to its highest, heaviest setting. Always do that for the spin cycle test. That way you can see that even fully loaded it's going to work and sound great. So we'll let it finish up here and we'll come back on final spin. Okay, and here we go into that final spin. You can hear it spinning nice and fast. It's got a nice heavy load in there. See, there's no weird noises, not off balance. All things that you'd want to check for. I'm going to go ahead and lift this up. Of course, it'll stop it. You're not really supposed to do that, but for testing purposes, I like to show you that it is spinning nice and fast. So we'll let that finish up. That's it for the washer. I'm going to go ahead and get the dryer around here, get those clothes loaded into the dryer, and let you listen to that, and I'll show you that it's heating. Okay guys, now I've got the dryer ready to go, also in Amana. This dryer's only about a year old. It's in excellent, like new shape still. And I'm going to show you here that it sounds great. Oop, let's put the timer on time. There you go. Very smooth operation. You can see it, no weird noises, and it's perfectly balanced. I'll show you that it's also heating like it's supposed to. Well, heat gun, whatever that red light shines on, it's going to tell you the temperature. It's kind of cold out here. Let's hit the ground real quick. And I'll show you. We'll shoot it right into the heating element tube. Plenty of heat coming out of there. And the inside temperature of your dryer get anywhere from 105 to about 195, just depending on what you have the heat setting at. And there's 3 heat settings: high heat, low heat, and air dry, no heat. It's like an air fluff. So let's go ahead and put those clothes in there, and I'll let you listen to it with a full load of clothes. Alright, so we got the clothes thrown in there. Let's hit go. And there you have it. Now you know the dryer also works perfectly. It's in like new condition. So we'll get these guys listed up. If you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks.